In this video today, we'll be teaching us on how to make fabric collage of this craft. Hello viewers, welcome to Air Resources Art and Services. Today, we'll be working on this drawing for our collage. For accuracy and neatness, we have made our brown paper drawing and have transferred it onto our cardboard. So the other materials we will be needing for this work is the pencil, the brush, the top bond, scissors, and the Ankara fabric itself, which we got from around our fashion designer's store. So let's swing into action. So this is our Ankara. We are making replica of what we've done before. So our brush and our top bond. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like, share with your friends, and comment as we commence this craft. So starting from the top, here is our calabash. You have to cut out the excess. So we've marked the excess and we are cutting it out. You will notice something behind our fabric. We decided to put a lining in form of paper behind the fabric to make it firm. And more so, we have cut down our fabric for the purpose of speed or the purpose of time management. So we're spreading around the top bond on the portion we want to place our calabash. Spreading it around. So we are placing our calabash. So we are now on the facial part. That's about the facial part of the image. So we are now on the blouse part. So we are making the blouse gently. Sometimes we can make this kind of craft without drawings. Once we've gotten our patterns from our fabric, we can just commence. But for the purpose of our viewers who are learning, so we already placed the skin part of the tummy, and this we are placing in our local way. It's called the scarf. The scarf, and that part is the part of the skirt. That's the waist part we're putting the hair tie. And the remaining parts of the blouse in that corner. That is why it's called collage. We got to pieces sometimes to fit them in accurately to their portion. So this is the hair tie. So we are moving to the second image on that cardboard. We are spreading around the top bond for the next calabash. We also do paintings, charcoal pencil work, canvas with acrylic. There's another kind of collage we called silk design that is made of thread. We do wall decoration. So that's the arm. So this is the arm of the first image. So we make special cards, invitation cards, birthday cards, house painting, interior and exterior. So that is the shoulder aspect or shoulder part of the second image we just placed. So this is a scarf. After we place the calabash, the scarf follows. So spreading the gum. So round the scarf, we piece the scarf in 3 places because of the patterns. So that's the other part of the scarf. And we are now going to the facial part. It's a simple craft. Once you got your drawing accurately, you transfer the drawing onto the fabric, then you cut it out so that when we want to place the fabric on our board or canvas, we get the accurate size of the image. So we progressing with the hand and the arm of the second image. That's the skin part of the tummy. We are placing the tummy right now. So that's the waist tie. We call it wrapper, but we have to split it into sizes. So that's a remnant of the scarf. This is also the scarf of the first image. We just found the cut part. So we are spreading the gum for the hand of the first image. This is the hand, the arm right there holding the calabash. So spreading the top bond round. Why we use top bond for this kind? Sometimes ago we're using a full stick, but top bond is more of it gives you more neat work or neater work than the a full stick. With top bond you don't have to be afraid of any stain because it's friendly with the cardboard, and the color, when it gets dry, it becomes colorless. If you have any question concerning this, please make comments. There's room for improvement, and if you want us to explain better or you want to make order, we sell this. They are for sale. They are for sale. This very work is for sale. Thank you for watching. Please turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to see our next video. Have a wonderful day till we meet in the next class. Bye for now.